What's up, guys? It's Virtual Beats coming at you live once again from the simulation. And in today's video, I want to be going over some of my 5 plugins I will always use when it comes to mixing vocals. So the first plugin right here on our list is NS1. This is what NS1 looks like. If you're not familiar with NS1, it's a plugin that noise suppresses the background noise in every recording that you take. If you record and you have a fan blowing on, or if you have hissing or any little thing in the background, this removes it. You really don't need it this high. The sweet spot for this is 15 to 30 or 15 to 20, but the higher you put it, the more it will cut out the vocal. I had a fan in the recording and then it was a loud environment, so I really didn't get to record it the best I can. I had the gain really loud, but this, cleaned up a lot of it. So let me just put the plugin at 0 and just show you what it does. So this is with no NS1 in the recording.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul.
And then I'm gonna slowly turn it up.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went ghost, now I'm alone. Need a queen for my throne, so let's go. Why you playing games though?
You see how much it suppressed that. Obviously, it's not going to be perfect and get rid of everything, because ideally you want a recording that sounds clean right off the bat. You want a clean recording. You want to be delivering and having good gain levels, gain stage and all that stuff. You want all that set up. When you're recording vocals, look, here's a tip right here. I don't know if you could tell, but this 6 right here is the sweet spot for vocals. When you're recording, you don't want to clip over 6. You want it to be 6 to 12 when you're recording. This is with no effects, anything. This is just your mic picking up, like me talking right here. Like if I put my mic right here, it's picking up right here, 6. This is a good spot. You don't want to go way too high where you're completely over 3. But yeah, that works really good. That's a good spot. That's a good gain I have if I'm going to record. Obviously, if I'm going to be louder for certain songs or I'm going to be quiet for certain songs, I'm going to have to turn it up or down. But yeah, that's just the spot you want to remain in, especially when you're mixing vocals. That's where you want to end. The next plugin is a UAD plugin, and you might know artists like Drake, Frank Ocean, Kenny Beats recorded a lot of people with preamps as well. And the Neve 1073 preamp, and not the actual hardware, because the hardware will be way too expensive. I'll put a picture of the price right here. But yeah, way too expensive. This basically does is it adds, clarity to the mic. It boosts it. It adds clarity, texture to it, and it just makes it sound good all around. So without the 1070 preamp and EQ is what it sounds like.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul.
And then with it,
where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went ghost, now I'm alone.
I see why they use these pieces of gear and this equipment. It just really adds clarity to this. You can also use this on other stuff too as well. You don't have to use it only on vocals. So, that's the good part. But yeah, Neve 1073 preamp and EQ. A definite we're only doing one take. It's a definite must. All right, it's a definite must for this. The third one is a Tube Tech CL1B, and if you're not familiar with this Tube Tech is a compressor. It's a compressor, and you can use it on vocals, drums, all that stuff, guitars, and I just use it on male vocals. So what I do is usually just leave the gain. There's presets here. Put the gain a little bit down, maybe the ratio to like 2 to 1. You can leave it where it's at and just mess with the threshold. It's like the CLA 2A that I used on the channel, but it just works good. So let me go ahead and show you without.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul.
And then with, I need to adjust it though.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went ghost, now I'm alone. Need a queen for my throne, so let's go. Why you playing games though?
So now we got a consistent vocal. That's good. Now we got a consistent vocal. Now that the vocal's consistent, now we can go on to the next. But I love this compressor because it's just simple and clean. There's a lot of presets on it. It's really easy to tweak. You can really, go crazy with this. All right, number 4. I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are probably gonna say like, oh, this plugin's a meme. This plugin's a meme. It's CLA vocals. I always use this on all my vocal chain. I just think it's funny though. Like, people can meme CLA vocals, but nobody wants the meme fresh air. This exciter plugin, this plugin that just literally boosts the highs, does what an EQ does. It's literally snake oil. It literally does nothing. I like this plugin because, for one, I don't like the reverb and delay on it, but think of this as an EQ. Think of this as the Neve preamp, but instead of being a preamp and an EQ, it's a wideness and an EQ. So what I do is I'll have the vocal already clean like this, right?
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul.
Then I'll add CLA vocals and I'll boost it with the tremble, the compressor, and the bass. So this is basically the lows and the mids. This is basically, think of this as an EQ, left to right. And what that does is, with it off,
Where did you go?
and then with it on,
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went.
and then let me show you the wideness.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went ghost, now I'm alone. Need a queen for my throne, so let's go. Why you playing games though?
A lot of you guys might be thinking, oh, that's too loud, that's too loud. But it doesn't even have the beat over it. You need that presence when it comes to loud beats. So this is without it on the beat.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul.
And then this is on the beat.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went ghost, now I'm alone. Need a queen for my throne, so let's go. Why you playing games though?
The last plugin, number 5, I'll always use. I save the best for last. And I talked about this on the channel, but I'm going to go talk about it again. It's MV2. MV2 is a Waves plugin. And what this plugin does is, you know how you get the vocals compressed, right? Compressors get the low vocal, the right vocal, and they just pull them close together. This takes the highs, or the quietest part of the vocal, which are the highs, because we already cut out the lows with the EQ. It takes the quietest part of the vocal when you bring up the highs, and it brings it up. So it takes all those quiet parts that the compressor missed, and it brings it up so it makes the vocal full. So you can, a sweet spot to this is 16 to 15, or no, 6 to 15, my bad, 6 to 15, this knob right here. But without this plugin,
where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul.
and then let me turn it on.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul.
That's on, this is off.
Where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went ghost, now I'm alone.
Yeah, and then you could just take all of that, sauce it up with some stuff, and I have some layers and everything going on. So with all that together,
where did you go? I'm all alone, looking for you, looking for your soul. You left me, yeah, you went ghost, now I'm alone. Need a queen for my throne, so let's go. Why you playing games though?
But yeah, that's sauce. Those are my 5 plugins that I use on every mix when it comes to mixing vocals. And if you got 5 plugins that I didn't cover, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what your 5 plugins are. You can number it 1 through 5, however you want to do it. If it's just one plugin, let me know in the comments. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys again for 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to keep trying my best to be consistent and dropping these videos back to back. I've just been real busy trying to work on these edits and this new music I want to put out for you guys. And trust me, it's going to be worth it. I promise you. But yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, subscribe. Join the Discord server. We always give feedback there if you need feedback on tracks. If you need, drum kits, we have endless amount of drum kits. We have a bot that spams drum kits in there and stuff. But anything that you need, if you want to come hang out with me, come vibe, if you need a commission, etc., Discord server below. We're about to hit 1,000 members on the Discord channel as well, man. So go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Appreciate you guys. My name is Virtual Beats. I hope you're having a good night or day, and I'm signing out the simulation.